right, this is the June Paletteful packs. Feels heavier than charcoal. So it might be paint, might be ink. I don't know. Let's find out. I'm hoping it's paint or ink, because I like both of those things. It's paint, okay. Oh, a round canvas. Spray. I don't know if I've ever used that. Alright, ooh, I like that. I don't like these brushes. Posca? Oh, I got all kinds of stuff in here, okay. There's a sticker. Alright, so, Snille Heavy Body Liner, 3D liner. I've never tried those. Well, that sounds interesting. Alright, and these are the Marabou, I think. Art spray, these are acrylics, this is acrylic. Red, green, and why don't they give you blue? It's weird. Red, green, and yellow. And a round canvas, which is kind of neat. That's like pressed cardboard kind of. It's not wood or anything, but I like it. It's really. Oh, and it's glued. It's not stapled. And this little probably 8x10 canvas board. A brown Posca marker. Oh, this is a good one. It's a Filbert. Size 4. It's a nice one. Simmons. And a bristle. I don't like these. Bright. It's one of those ones you're supposed to use with oil paint. Yeah, I don't like these. I like the synthetic sable, but what's it say? Oil, and just say oil brush. But why'd you give me this? I don't have any oil paint. But I still have oil paint someplace that I might use at some point. And a little sticker, which is kind of cool. I'm way over here because I'm thinking the camera's way over here. I just moved it up. And what does this say? Anything? I'd like to see what other people are doing with it. So they give you 4 prompts: surreal landscape, geometric patterns, cosmic, and fantasy creatures. None of those appeal to me. I'd like to know what people are doing with this. And this. Huh. Well, I suppose I could do like a little something. Alright. Let's see. I'm a little afraid of this stuff. Okay. Ooh. I don't know if I'd use this as a spray or just like dip my brush in. So there's those 3. Just seems like that's just asking for trouble. So it seems a little thin. I guess it has to be if it's going to be a spray. And these are just the opposite. These are thick. So black, white, and then the 3 primaries. So let's try this. Is it ready to go? Or? Oh, yeah. That's kind of cool. Come on, there you go. I don't have any clue what to do with this. Unless I, like I said, squirt this. I could squirt this out, add water to it, and use it like regular paint. Or the same with this, just dip a brush in. Alright, so those are the colors. So it's heavy body, so it's pretty thick. It's nice though, they make nice paint. Alright, so I guess that's it for now. I'm probably going to use this just because I kind of think that would be cute for like a little portrait or something, and I'd rather not use stuff I'm unfamiliar with on it. So that is the plan, this. So I'll be back with what I come up with. Okay, bye. All right, this is what I ended up with. I think I used everything in it. The background, I used the spray because I didn't know what else I was going to use it for because I didn't really want to make a mess. So I think I just dipped my brush in and painted, but I had to do 2 layers because it's a thin paint. And for the rest of it, I mostly used the Sennelier, those little squeezy tubes, but not as a squeezy tube. I would like squirt a bunch out and then spread it around. The black was very opaque, so I was excited. And then the other colors didn't seem to be. Although I didn't really try the red. The red is there. Let me think. The yellow was super transparent. Because even though when I see something that says heavy body, I think it's going to be really thick and opaque, and sometimes it's not. And the yellow wasn't. I had to use 2 layers of the yellow, and I had to do 2 layers of blue. The orange and the, well, actually, the orange, I used a Liquitex heavy body that I had. Let's see. So it wasn't in the box, but I could have mixed orange, but I was just, I don't know, being too lazy. Then, so the kit came with a Posca. It was a brown Posca, but it was a really thick bullet nib, and I don't like those. I find them kind of awkward. So I used some of my other acrylic markers, some of the brush pens, and some of the thinner bullet ones that I have. And I did the outlining of the flowers. I did the stems and things like that. I think, oh, I did the more details on the face. And then I used the brush markers for this color, the skin color, and the details on the face. I noticed it was a little bit crooked, and then I was going to fix it, and I went, no, I kind of like it that it's crooked. Her nostril's a little crooked, like she's kind of squinching up her nose and making a face. And the little squeezy things, I did the red dots in the middle of these flowers, and I think that's it. Oh, the white was another one of the ones that I had to do 2 layers of the Sennelier ones. This is sort of, I'll put the original here. She's an artist, I'm gonna butcher it, she's Turkish. Hulya Özdemir, I think that's her name. Finally found her. I was searching, as I've seen so much of her work and I really love it. But yeah, this is sort of my adaptation of that. I love the stuff she does, so I kind of want to do more of that. That's kind of why I was excited to do this, because I had all the supplies and I was like, oh, what am I going to do with this? But I've been wanting to do sort of my own version of her work, so I figured, oh, this is a good time to do it. And so yeah, I liked everything in it, and I actually ordered some more of the squeezy tubes in different colors, just because I liked them. And you can get additional tops to them so that you can change, almost like cake decorating. You can get different tops for the bottles, and you can do like double lines or super skinny lines or whatever. So I think I might have been more brave to do the outlines with this, instead of using the acrylic marker, using the squeezy tubes and making it a bit dimensional. But I couldn't have done it with the size that I had. They do have a real skinny one, so I might try it at some point once I get them. I have to order them first. I think I saw them on Amazon, maybe? I'll have to look. All right, so that is it. And I had a lot of fun with this. It was a good box. Well, maybe it looked extra good because of the charcoal I got stuck with last week. But yeah, no, I always like paint better, paint or ink, something like that. So anyway, hope you liked that video, and I will see you next week with my new series. Bye-bye.